Leo. I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2016. Leos, Happy New Year. We begin this spectacular year with a beautiful month with Mercury that is going direct just for a few days as we begin the month, and then unfortunately it's going direct for the entire month till about the 25th. And this is happening in your house of work and your health, and it's retrograding in Capricorn. Now this entire focus is the Mercury drill. You have to be careful about your travel, your speech, your communication, and also as far as your technology is concerned. So ensure that you have your backups ready, ensure that your laptop's in place, your travel is taken care of, issure that your mails, SMSs, everything is going to the right person, it's not going to the wrong person. Also, it's a time because there's a lot of focus is there on your health. Maybe a lot of you could be rethinking about your diet, a lot of you could be rethinking about your health in general. And it's a time wherein that contracts, could be either coming up for reviews, and maybe your own reviews could be happening during this time. And it can be just a time wherein that your routine and your schedule will not have really a routine. You can expect things to go a little out of sync over here, and it can be also that you may not be able to reach quick decisions during this time, during the retrograde. So it's best to sort of put things at the back burner. Things are like really urgent and you really need to be deciding, and they're really big things. So maybe it's not the wisest of time to be deciding it during the Mercury retrograde. And wait till the time that you're done till about the 25th and then come back to it. Mars is moving to Scorpio from the 5th of Jan, and it's happening in your house of home. It's there. And it's speaking about, it's very compulsive and a driven energy, and it's now what's also happening is that with this particular, the Martian energy over here, it's just, there seems to be some action happening at home now. Either you are shifting a house, or you are doing a lot of back and forth with your parents, or you're worried about your parents, how it is that they're staying alone, you want to move them along with you. And with all this, and this is like still a small aspect, but the larger bit of it is with around the 7th, when Jupiter goes retrograde for the next couple of months. And Jupiter is retrograding in your house of money, and it's in the house of your material possession, personal values, and physical body. And it's a good time to be again reevaluating your relationship with money, how it is that you look at money. And also it is, besides that, it's also a great time to be reinvesting, and it's a great time to be not just reinvesting, spending money. Maybe it's a good time to be getting yourself a personal trainer, getting yourself in shape. We have a new moon that is there as well in this particular part of your health and about your work, which is there in Capricorn. And again, a lot of focus that maybe you will be able to finally find a diet that works for you. Maybe there will be a health regime that just simply works for you. So great going, Leos. Sun is going to be moving into your house of partnership, and this is it speaks about long-term dating. It's talking about really you looking at relationships quite seriously, Leos. It speaks about wherein that you are not just content to be there in a casual relationship, but you're going to be asking for more. You're going to be looking for more during this time. And Venus towards end of the month is there again in this house. So I think you have about some fantastic 3 planets that are going to be sitting in your house of work and your health. And you're just generally going to be feeling quite I think not just good about yourself, but there are going to be plenty of opportunities to be doing something about these particular areas as well. We are ending the month with a full moon that is there in your own sign, and it's a bit of a feeling like, where you are looking for a bit of attention now and then, and you just feel as if that you're not getting the attention that you deserve. So try and sort of avoid infantile outbursts during this time, and work on self-assertiveness, Leos. And I think the important thing is to find the balance between autonomy and between dependence, and that is what you need to sort of find your space over there. and it's a good time to be putting your needs first. In any case, it's a time wherein that you start giving yourself importance, and I think while you're doing that, it's important to be respecting others as well, and it'll take you a long way. So great month for you, Leos. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.